How to fix post unavailable problem on TikTok. Hey again everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix the post unavailable problem on your TikTok account. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you just basically have to find a settings menu. So if you go to any user's profile, it might not show any of their content because of your settings. So what you basically have to do is just go ahead and tap on a profile icon at the bottom right. And then from there at the top right, you'll find the hamburger menu. Tap on that. And from the pop-up, you need to head over to settings and privacy. Now all you have to do is find content and display down below. And under that, you have your activity center. And right below that, you have content preferences. Tap on that. And then you have different options here like filter keywords, restricted mode, manage topics, refresh your For You page. Now all you have to do is go to restricted mode, and if this is turned on, you basically want to tap on turn off and then turn off the restricted mode. So let's just go ahead and select a reason. So I just go ahead and tap on any one of this. So let's just tap on didn't understand how it works, tap on submit. And now restricted mode will be turned off, and you should be able to access those contents now that were not previously shown. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.